G'day guys, welcome back to another PC build. Here you can see the final completion. We chose to do a white and pink and purple theme because we actually put a bit of a post up on Twitter last week asking you guys what you wanted to see, and the majority wanted a pink and white PC. So we ended up doing that for you guys, keeping some nice RGB in there as well. Keep in mind guys, the specs do not matter because this channel focuses on the aesthetics of a PC rather than the performance. We do some performance-based videos, but this PC is just a show build. So the Pentium CPU was used in this PC because this PC will be pulled apart in around 2 days time anyway. Now we do have an MSI GTX 1080. You guys have seen this exact graphics card in the previous video as well. We also used the same motherboard as the previous video because a lot of people did want that white and pink theme. So this is basically the only white motherboard that we have at the moment. Hopefully we can stock up on a bit more as well because I want to start using some brand new hardware. We've got the new graphics cards and everything coming out, so that's certainly something that I want to start using in the PC builds. However, over the next couple of weeks, we won't be able to bring you a PC build every single week now. We've got a lot of big projects coming up, which are going to require a lot more time. These PCs I can get done within a week because they're just normal water-cooled computers, but over the next couple of weeks, especially heading towards PAX, we're going to have some really customized PCs coming for you guys on the channel. We do have the Team Group T-Force Delta RGB memory in there, the 2 sticks, exactly the same as last time. We've got the new TherMALTAKE RIING Trio fans, 3 at the front, 1 at the back and 2 up the top, and of course the MSI B360 Arctic motherboard. I did a simple design at the front. I wanted this to feel like more of a feminine build, so we got the rose sort of pattern in there, and of course we got the IFR logo in pink. All of the fittings have been custom painted because we did not have any white fittings. So now we do have a set of white fittings which we can use in future builds as well. We can also paint more if need be. It actually turned out quite nice. Anyway guys, not really much more to say about this build. We did use a SilverStone case, but apart from that, that is pretty much it guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Remember to leave a like, comment below. What do you like about this PC? Do you like normal water-cooled builds each week, or would you rather see some heavily modified builds which may take 2 to 3 weeks? Depending on how custom it actually is. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed guys. Remember to watch more videos on the channel just like this one. Consider subscribing. We've got lots of custom PCs, reviews, modding tutorials, and much more. And we'll see you all in the next one.